guys, I haven't done a braid out in years. I'm nervous. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will be doing a braid out, and if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is what my hair is looking like. I have a lot more frizz because my hair wasn't 100% dry, but that's okay because I'm going to stretch it just a little bit and then I will come back and show you guys the stretched look, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I stretched out my hair with a blow dryer, just stretching out it so it hangs a little bit lower, and I really love it. I did undo the braids just a little bit, like halfway, and then I flipped them over to this side and bobby pinned them so I have more volume in the top of my hair. And yeah, there's a lot of frizz, but there's also definition on the ends from using the perm rods. And if some pieces aren't like as curled as you want them to be, you can take like this and then just wrap the ends like this right here. Close it and then sit under the hair dryer, and then it'll curl your ends. So that's pretty much what I did after I stretched my hair. I put a few of those perm rods in just to make sure I had some curls on the ends still popping out. And yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. I haven't done a braid out in a very long time, and this was very interesting. This is very interesting because I forgot how long it takes for the braids to dry. And my braids weren't fully dry at all, which is why I have a lot of frizz, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not. And if you guys like this look, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. If you are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and give your girl a follow at Reshae. And then let's drop the curl emoji in the comment section below if you guys like this hairstyle. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a huge thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And guys, never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.